green and the Hulk. Hulk! I'm green, like the Hulk.
Oh God.
Green soup, right? The Hulk!
The green. We don't know whether to call this the Hulk or the green soup, but you're like, the Hulk! It's so cool. I mean, look at it. Look at it. Really, really simple ingredients. And someone asked me the other day, oh, I don't like coconut milk. You know what? It's okay. Put your plant milk, whatever milk you want in there, but it won't be the same. Coconut milk has a richness, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And it's delicious, and we love it. We love it here, and you can water it down a little bit if you don't want too much of the richness of it. So you can just muck around with that. And honestly, you're after good quality coconut milk. And in my tips and tricks section, please push play there. I'll explain to you what a good quality coconut milk is. So with my baby spinach, I just want to get the stalks off because I find them to be super bitter. So you just rip them off like this, yeah? Okay, and you've got 2 garlic cloves. Really easy, really easy. Okay, high heat. That's the first thing we want, is high heat. And just roughly chop. In other words, just run your knife through these roughly. Like it's really that simple. And then grab some avocado oil, and it's about a teaspoon. It's not a lot of oil, is it? But you need fat. That's another thing. Like, fat makes flavor. Fact. If you don't want to put it in, don't put it in. It's not going to taste the same though, in my opinion. Okay, so garlic goes in to the oil. You want to hear that little sizzle, not too much. We're not making anything brown. That little sizzle, just to pull out flavour. That's all you need to do. So make sure you're one with the heat and you're just making sure that it's not browning and cooking too fast. Salt and pepper, just to bring that garlic along. One of my many gorgeous wooden spoons, and just stir this around the oil. We'll see what happens. Yeah? Just cook that for about 1 or 2 minutes. With the music on full blast in the kitchen. Now you're gonna add your broccoli. And you wanna hear that sizzle. Lovely, bubbly, lovely. Look, and there's a couple of stalks there on this spinach that I don't want to be there, Cynthia. Come on, Cynthia. Seriously, love. All right, you're gonna cook this, I reckon, between 5 and 8 minutes. Now, why I say that is because the broccoli is so sweet when it's sauteing in garlic and oil, but you don't want to brown anything. Okay, so low heat, staying with it, flicking the broccoli over like this, music on. Life is working for me, not against me, all the things. It's not a time where you leave the kitchen, by the way, with this one. You stay with it and manage your heat. All right, in goes your coconut milk. Listen to this, right? So turn up the heat, high, straight in. I love that sound. It's almost like, yeah, it's like fireworks. It's like someone made fire, and that's what happens when you put cold stuff on fire. This is the celebration. This is how we celebrate this cleanse, by thinking about all the amazing things that put together a simple soup. All right, lid on. bring it to the boil, cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes, simmering. So as soon as it comes to the boil and it's like boiling away, turn it down immediately and let it just simmer with the lid on, okay? Really important. See how I did that? That's a part of the recipe. It's been about 8 minutes. Have a look in here. Now I want to add that spinach. I'm not even going to cut it up. I'm just going to fold it through this glory. And the heat is off. And the heat will just cook it very gently. Just kind of ooze into it. So have a look. Because it feels like a lot actually right now, and I've got to fold that in. It's like, oh my God, how's this going to work? But have a look how I'm going to do this. Yeah, okay, so I'm just kind of putting it into the hot water like this. Now it's kind of disintegrating, right? It's all going away. Look at that. And now the most important thing, you want to let this rest for about 5 minutes before you blend it. Oh, look, there's some stalk, Cynthia. Magically just disappeared. It's actually amazing as it is gone. Let it rest. 5 minutes and then we'll blend. Water is really important actually throughout this cleanse. You've got to drink lots of water. So it's kind of like there's a rule of thumb, right, with water. It's 1 litre of water per 22 kilos of body weight. So for me, I'm 73 kilos. I should have around about 4 litres of water a day. It's not hard to do, especially when it's hot and you're working. Yeah, it's not hard to do, but just work out how much water, what your body weight is, and then work out how much water you can have. But remember, and this is something I do, don't force yourself to drink water. Like, really don't. We're swapping everything out here. This is what we're having. It's a 21-day cleanse. This is it. So water is vital. And what I find is when someone's really hydrated, they're weeing all the time. Did you know that? Yeah, and when you're dehydrated, you're not going to the toilet as often. Okay, scooping the hot soup into here. It does, looks amazing, hey? And it smells amazing too. Okay, and I'm going to blend this for about 20 seconds on high speed. Lid to the side. And you know what I love about this blender? I've got to show you this. The seconds is on here. So when I'm saying blend for 20 seconds, you're probably thinking, how long does that take? But check this out. That's cool. That's super cool. And now it's time to nourish ourselves with all this amazing natural minerals and supplements that are in here. Oh my God, I'm excited. I'm excited. Have a look how green and lush this is. And you know how this manages to be so green is because, oh my God, it's so delicious. Just shake that so it's even. Just gets all the bubbles and lumps out. Do you know why this is so green? It's because we didn't boil the crap out of the spinach. We folded it through when the heat was off. Super important, right? It just brings so much life. And now you can decorate with all my things. You don't have to, but I totally suggest that you do. It's amazing. And for me, it's like these amazing little beetroot leaves, right? Just kind of sink on top like this, over one side. It's like a garden. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. And some edible flowers just in there like that. That's it. And that is it. And I have a spoon. I want to take a photo because it's so important that you share with me how you decorated. I love my phone, thank you. I'd love for you to take photos and to decorate and to put them in the group. Thank you, Elu. And to put them in the group and to say, look how I did mine, right? Like this is the beauty. And we can all go, oh my God, I never thought of garnishing like that. And that's like so helpful for us all doing this. Oh my God, that looks so pretty. Okay. Seriously, it's super cool. Anyway, can't wait to see yours. Remember, the key ingredient here is live in the let go, to satiate, to flourish our bodies with nutrition and nourishment from nature without dissecting it and looking at the calories and the fat and this and the carbs and all that. No, no, no. We are actually liquid nourishing ourselves and giving our digestion a break. And that is it. And we're sitting in the glory of the fact we get to eat. And I'm excited. Look at my face. I'm lighting up because that is my prayer to me. Hello, who's messaging me? Hello, Marianne Blackburn. I know you. See you in the next video.